All right, another top story we've been following today. A jury up north has acquitted the final 3 men charged in the plot to kidnap Governor Whitmer.
Eric Molitor and William and Michael Null were each acquitted on counts of providing material support for a terrorist act, along with gun charges. Let's get out to Megan Woods. She's live with the verdict and the fallout. Megan.
Kimberly, this was a 15-day trial. The jury started deliberating yesterday morning around 9:45, and this morning, a little over 24 hours later, they had their verdict.
To Eric Molitor, count 1, providing material support for an act of terrorism. What is your verdict?
A northern Michigan courtroom filled with emotion as not guilty verdicts were read for Eric Molitor, William Null, and twin brother Michael Null.
Each of these 3 defendants have been found not guilty.
This comes after 14 days of testimony, including Eric Molitor and William Null taking the stand.
In my head, it was 2 people talking stupid. One of them was incredibly dumb, I would say. The credibility of them being dangerous wasn't near as severe at the end of the ride as it was when we first got up here. Like I said, when I first found out, I was in fear for my life.
Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel did release a statement about the not guilty verdicts, saying in part, quote, "While today's verdicts are not what we hoped for, the successes we have achieved throughout these cases in both state and federal courts sends a clear message that acts of domestic terrorism will not be tolerated in our state," end quote. Governor Whitmer's chief of staff, Joanne Holes, also responded to the verdict, saying in part, quote, "Today's verdict is disappointing. A non-guilty verdict on the plot to kidnap and kill Governor Whitmer in hopes of starting a civil war will further encourage and embolden radical extremists trying to sow discord and harm public officials or law enforcement." We have those full statements on clickondetroit.com, and this is the last of 14 people prosecuted in connection to the plot to kidnap the governor, and 5 of them pled or were found guilty. Again, more information on clickondetroit.com. Reporting live, I'm Megan Woods, Local 4.
Okay, Megan, thank you for your report this evening.